In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo in resume in WPS Office. Adding a professional photo to your resume can make your document look polished and complete. It also helps recruiters quickly recognize you and gives your resume a personal touch. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to insert, resize, crop, and position your photo accurately so it fits perfectly within your resume layout. To start, open your resume in WPS Office on your computer. Once the document is ready, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This section contains all the options you need to add elements like images, shapes, and text boxes. From there, select Picture and then choose the option to insert an image from your device. A File Explorer window will open, allowing you to browse through your folders. Locate the photo you want to use, click on it, and then click Open. The photo will now appear in your document. If the image is too large or too small, you can adjust its size to match the standard dimensions for a resume photo. First, make sure to uncheck the Lock Aspect Ratio option if it is enabled. This allows you to freely adjust both the height and width. For a professional look, set the dimensions to 2 inches by 2 inches, which is a common size for resume photos. Adjust the values carefully so the photo remains clear and proportional. Next, you can refine the shape of your photo. Click on the drop-down under the Crop option and choose Oval. This will place your image inside a circular frame, giving it a neat, modern appearance. The oval crop is particularly useful for resumes as it highlights the face and looks visually appealing. Finally, you need to position the image correctly on your resume. To do this, change the text wrapping option to Behind Text. This ensures the photo does not interfere with any text on your document. Once the wrapping is set, click and drag the image to its desired location. Most people place the photo near the top of the resume, but you can adjust the position based on your layout and design preference. Make sure the image is aligned properly and does not overlap other sections. With the photo in place, your resume is now complete and looks more professional. By following these steps, you can easily add, resize, crop, and position your photo to create a polished, well-structured document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.